Vanakkam, vanakkam, vanakkam. Appadi irukringal. I hope you are well. I hope you're staying home and staying safe, maintaining social distancing. We've done a few videos before on allophones of different vallina consonants, or the compound letters of those. Today we are going to look at the compound letters of th. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Let's look at the first set of letters. Kadavu, idayam, madam, pudiya, podum. Now, the th sound in here is like a soft the. Like it's almost like a D sound. Like a, sometimes they write it as DH. And I would say it's like the same as like the. You know how we say the in English? It's the same sound. The. Padam, madam, kadav. So here is rule number 1. If a compound letter of th comes after another compound letter or a vowel, then it is pronounced with a the sound. So in previous videos, I used, vowel sounds as an example. So it's the same method when, the consonant sound comes between two vowel sounds, then it's like a soft sound or a hard sound or a h sound. So for example, in the previous video of allophones, we looked at So if a compound letter of comes in the middle of a word or at the end of a word, so that makes the consonant sound between two vowel sounds, then it's pronounced with a h sound, like pahel. So it's the same method. That was just a bit more broken down. This is just a straightforward, easy method to find out how to pronounce it. So if a compound letter of th comes after another compound letter or a vowel, it's pronounced with a soft d sound, or da, di, du. Let's look at the next set of words. Seidi, தேர்தல், பல்துறை, நாள்தோறும், வாழ்தல். If a compound letter of th comes after the following consonants, so e, ir, il, and then it's pronounced with the soft d sound. வாழ்தல், செய்தி, தேர்தல். Let's go to rule number 3. First, the set of words. Pandu, Sunday, Mandar, Vandal, Mondan. Here, the compound letters of th come after the consonant nd. So, if compound letters of th come after the consonant nd, they're also pronounced with a soft d sound. Mondan, Kandal, Vandan. Let's go to the last couple of rows. Let's look at these words first. Talay, Taham, Tisay. Now, with these words, do you hear the difference in how the compound letters of th are pronounced? It's a sharp th sound, th. So, tisay, taham, tandai. So, here is the rule. If a compound letter of th comes at the beginning of a word, then it's pronounced with a sharp th sound. So, talay, taham, tunivu, tukam. Amazing. One more rule to go. Let's look at the set of words. Pattu, katti, mottam. Now in these words, the compound letters of th come after the consonant th. So here is the rule. If the compound letters of th come after the consonant th, then they're pronounced with a hard th sound, like a sharp th. Mottam, pattu, sattam, bat. Amazing! I hope you found this video useful. Now, the compound letters of th can have two different sounds, like a soft d sound or a sharp th sound, like ta or the. Make sure you know how to differentiate between the two. Once you learn the rules, it becomes very, very easy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share this video with everyone you know. Make sure you also follow us on Instagram at the Tamil channel. I will see you guys next time. Nandri vanakkam!